It was 65 degrees, under cloudy skies.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 12 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 o'clock. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota, west central, and northwestern Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning alarm system. We now return to normal programming.